Hey, what's going on, everyone? Here today I got a 2011 Ford Fusion. We upgraded the head unit and installed this Pioneer 4600nex. Does Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wirelessly. Also added Alexa. We also integrated a backup camera to it. Backup camera. Retain the functions of the steering wheel. Volume up, volume down. Check forward. Check back. I already connected my phone to Android Auto. No wires. Comes up right on the screen. It still has a USB port if you need to charge your phone. And also we added Maestro capabilities, so you can have your air condition functions, heating functions here on the screen. Also gives you your tire pressure, battery voltage, or you can turn on the gauges. Pioneer 4600 installed into a 2011 Ford Fusion. Thank you guys for watching.